Ever notice how a sudden light shift can ruin a great video? Consistency is key to achieving a truly professional look. Mismatched color temperatures, like this orange and blue contrast, look jarring and distract your audience from the story. The fix starts with color correction. Use your color wheels to manually pull the tones into alignment for a cohesive feel. Don't just trust your eyes. Use lumetri scopes to ensure your parade and waveforms match perfectly across every single clip. Another pro tip is using reference frames. This allows you to eye-match the brightness and contrast of new footage to previous shots. This is crucial for balancing scenes shot at different times of day, maintaining a single, continuous mood throughout the sequence. See the difference? Seamless lighting across your sequence keeps your storytelling fluid and keeps the viewers immersed in the content. Master these techniques to elevate your production value. Stay consistent and happy editing.